with it, y'all. Good morning.
Blessed and positive 2021 that is so far, you know. So today is a very special day, man. Woke up this morning. IG in the car community is still going crazy right now in the Bay Area, throughout the Bay Area. That is, the Origins is coming. They are here, guys. So it's going down all day. So I'm gonna try to keep the camera rolling all day so you guys can get the whole day with me and everything. I'm gonna try to do some meetups with some other Z people so you guys can also see some other dope ass Z builds out here that we have in the Bay Area. You guys are gonna see crazy ass cars.
Bitch, I'm ballin', I'ma keep ballin'. We don't got time for peace. When it's fly, they gon' meet targets. And we finish what we started. Goons coming and they retarded. Party dead, then we recharge it. If you leave a party, then we recharge them. If you don't like it, then we off them. I don't got time for lame losers.
Exotics, of course.
When it's fly, they gon' meet targets. And we finish what we started. Goons coming and they retarded. Party dead, then we recharge it. If you leave a party, then we recharge it.
Everything you guys want to see, you guys are going to see today. So you guys just stay in tune. We about to go. You guys know my little motto. You can't go nowhere without being clean. So you get to the left. You can't go nowhere without being clean. You can't show up. You got to make sure you represent yourself in a good way. So we about to go and take the Flash to get washed. You know, I haven't been driving my car. I've just been, you know, chilling, man, doing little small modifications to it and stuff like that. You know, putting little details on it, making it grow slowly, not too fast for you guys, man, because the first one was crazy. First one I fully modified within like 5 months. That thing was fully built to and everything. So I just want to give you guys, you know, the full perspective of my journey with the car. So you guys will see it once we get to the car wash and stuff. So if you're new to the channel, you guys can do a couple things out there. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, and also that notification as well, guys. I hope you guys really appreciate. I hope you guys are really enjoying the channel. I really appreciate you guys for just coming out, you know, giving me time out you guys' time. I know everybody busy out there, man. Gotta grind, man. This COVID been crazy, man. So, you know, with that said, we about to go. For the new ones, I usually go take the car to go get car wash, you know, get that thing right. And I usually put some effects on it for you guys. I haven't done this since, I think, like LA. So, and you guys, for the ones that's been watching, you guys seen the growth through like the effects and all that. So this one, I'm gonna give you guys some effects today on the car wash and also on the meat to it. I'm gonna give it to you guys, man.
It's that time.
I'm gonna give it to you guys. So with that said, we about to go over here. You guys know I don't drive and record. I'm unable to do that due to the past situation and all that. So we are out. Woo! So guys, we are here. We made it safe to the car wash, that is. Hey, so it's lit. You guys got to see everything today and tonight is going down. It is going down. So you guys already know what's about to happen. The song of today is going to be on Datchers by Big SK, no Little SK, and Mako Sama. You guys will see it down there. And it's that time, guys. Sit back, relax, enjoy.
These niggas say they moving, but that's backwards, that's backwards. Turning up on the scene like I'm Datchers, I'm Datchers. My bitch be next to me and she not average, 40 next to me and it's not black, it's not black. Pull up, shooting, yeah, I'm black. I just need that lead, it's that red, it's that cat. Let you tell it, we be broke, so nigga, don't you tell shit, don't tell shit. Turning up on the scene like I'm Datchers, I'm Datchers. On the east, but now I'm on the west, my team Bluehunnit, running up a check. Love when niggas hate, love when niggas flex, till I pull up. We done seen the best, heard he got a vest, he gon' need a vest. Give a head, nigga, I'm a vet. I be so high, I don't need a jet. Money keep growing, chill, G back. Give a niggas balls that they won't forget. Give a dick, but that's all that you get. Get a duck, nigga, gon' roll a bit. Nigga disrespect, damn in the bitch. Nigga, I'm a boss, so you can work for me. Open niggas up, no surgery. Love when niggas act like they ain't hurting me. Niggas talking shit, but that ain't hurting me. 40 burn a nigga to the 3rd degree. Cops wanna grab me, give me 1st degree. Dot bitches, man, they keep approaching me. If I send my shooters, they gon' go for me. Plus a nigga know I keep that toast on me. If a nigga think he gon' get close to me, catch a body, then I take his close with me. Free keys off the motherfucker beat. These niggas say they moving, but that's backwards, that's backwards. Turning up on the scene like I'm dangerous, I'm dangerous. My bitch be next to me and she not average, not average. 40 next to me and it's not plastic, it's not plastic. Pull up, shooting, yeah, I'm blasting. I just need that lead, it's that red, like that cat. Let you tell it, we be broke, some nigga, don't you tell, don't tell. Turning up on the scene like I'm dangerous, I'm dangerous.
I said they talking, but you know they really average. Niggas said they moving, but they really moving backwards. I said I'm out here on my grind, I'm going for the cabbage. You see me at Bluehunnit, is nothing but some savage. Ballin' out control like McGrady with the magic. We in the field, shit is real, shooting like that Maverick. I let her hustle on the Russell, I give you the dish. Man, that's with the dish. Catch you in with the Knicks, Stephen Curry with the wrist. You better guard your bitch, you know she know I'm lit. Been done, hit your bitch, yeah. Smoking on that piff, I'm all about that mint. Bluehunnit sweet as shit, yeah, yeah.
These niggas say they moving, but that's backwards, that's backwards. Turning up on the scene like I'm dangerous, I'm dangerous. My bitch be next to me and she not average, not average. 40 next to me and it's not plastic, it's not plastic.
Hey, I hope you guys appreciated that, man. That was, like I said, I gave you guys my best right there, man. Auntie Datress, man, you guys make sure you go follow the artists, IGs, and also SoundCloud. Links down below in my subscription. And check that music out, man. Shit is turned up, man. We about to get straight to this, guys. I'm about to go home, you know, finish drying off the car, you know, got to get the car situated. And it's lit. I'm gonna give it, you guys gonna see, man. You guys will see everything. So everyone just drive safe out there, man. Everyone have a blessed and positive day. And we're going to continue with this day, and we're going to see how this thing come out, man. Really appreciate you guys. You guys already know. Hit that like, that subscribe, and also that notification as well. We are out. Ooh, so we made it, guys. We was the first to make it. Of course, Flash. We're here at In-N-Out, about to grab some shit. I might just get a milkshake for now. You know, the wife already cooked for me. We're about to go on this thing, guys. Hey, I see bro, though. I see bro. Yeah. So we're here right now. Just grab some food. Bro just pulled up. Y'all see bro right there, man. You guys see his IG right there, man. So we about to just, everyone about to gather up here. Then we're going to transfer over. The meet starts at 8. So you had to register in order to get your car in there, so that's what we did, and it's $10 per car. So you guys just stay in tune. I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage of these crazy dope ass Z's, man. You guys seriously,
I don't mind driving 3 hours.
How long you had your Z for?
About a year and a half.
Dope. I see that. See the I'm tuning. The birds queen. Okay. Hey, my brother, how's it going, man? How's it going, guys? Doing good. How about yourself? All right. guys, this thing is so sexy, bro. You already know. Oh, yeah. Woo. This thing is clean. Hey, how's it going, my brother? Good. Good. How about yourself?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Alex, man, nice to meet you.
Oh, I seen you yesterday. Finally, you guys see the bro right there, Dom. You make sure you go check out his IG and also his YouTube channel down below, guys. You guys will definitely see it down below in the description. So we're right here right now, guys. Everyone's just meeting up. You guys see all the Z's back there lined up. You guys see them things. Can't forget that, bro. You guys see Godzilla right there, man. You guys see Godzilla right there. That shit's clean. So we about to go ahead, head out, and I'm gonna get you guys all this good footage, man. I promise you guys, we're gonna get that shit. We're trying to get out early because it's gonna be crazy. The origins be crazy, as you guys know. If you don't know, now you know. We are out, guys. Hey, so we made it, guys. This is crazy, man. So right now we're in the line right now, and we just out entering, guys. As you've seen, it's wild. We was at the light for, I said, about like 15 minutes, 20 minutes before it started moving again. If you're new to the channel, guys, you can do a couple things out there. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and also that notification. Guys, keep coming back. We're having more dope content come in your way. So we're gonna get situated at least. Once we get in here, then I'm gonna set everything up, and it's a go from there. You guys gonna see everything. We are out, guys. Have a blessed day.
I'ma keep ballin'. We don't got time for peace offers. Bullets fly, they gon' meet targets. And we finish what we started. Goons coming and they retarded. Party dead, then we recharge it. If you lead a party, then we recharge them. If you don't like it, then we off them.
Bros on the bikes out here, man.
Pull up with the same shooter. Slide on them like a damn scooter. Catch more smoke than a hooper. If he survives, scream hallelujah. She give me more brain than a tutor. Bullets grab like a fucking ruler. I'm the man in my pocket super.
Ain't no reason for that talking. That pussy got mouths like Austin. I'm fresh out the water, no dolphin. I bought for that game like I'm Boston. Don't be confused, don't be your fool. Please, you gon' make the wrong move. Cause I got that lead. I talk about pistol, not talking the first day of school. I mix it up, switch it up. She wanna give it up. She wanna fuck cause I'm bigger, bro. If he talking that shit, like he won't give it up. My niggas put up with like him, bro. All my niggas, they monsters. Looking like lobsters. Get the snapping like a lobster. So speak to me,
It's lit here, guys.
Take your brain in the pasta.
I'm sipping the purple, I'm blowing the purple, I'm going for throttle.
These lines
I'm up in the
right
club, I'm too turned up with all these models. Pulling up, keep going with the bottles. Party like it's no tomorrow, party like it's no tomorrow. I'm going hard like a tank. Oh, you smell just a dank. At the fist in my drink, it's going down, what you think? I'm top 10 in the rank. Bluehunnit in the paint. Bluehunnit like the bank. She wanna date, but I can't.
She wanna fuck with my wrist rolls. Chains on me cause a light show. Big blunts to the hydro. Got me moonwalking like I might go. Cashing out, got Bluehunnit with me so you know it's good everywhere I go. She saw me up, call it lipo. Beat the pussy like a Congo. It's sensei. YNWA like a Moshe. I used to be broke in the worst way. Now I need every dime for a copay. And to any nigga talking like he bought it, I got goons in the cut that'll start a riot. I'm good in the hood like a fire hydrant. Fuck a mention, I'm trying to go get an island. Yeah.
I know that these niggas not talking to squares. A nigga that fly, he jumped on the bridge. I carried 2 4 types of running like this. I brought me a 30 and came for the touching my hip. Stay in my G's, I ain't heard this shit. I run up a chicken, put one about me. Added on wavy, tsunami to fit. Calling the plug, he sending the sip. Calling up Ike, he doing the flip. Calling up Key, he bringing the bricks. Calling up Sin, he doing the hit. Yelling free keys and I'm screaming that shit. Stay with the bars like I'm locked in the pit. Now that my neck and my wrist like this. Watch how I poker, not spinning no chips. I'm curving a bitch.
You know how I get down. I can drop a halo. She don't know no chill out. Doper than a kilo. I still got my halo. Spoil your little angel. This is different angle. This is different angle. Who like me can say so? You just rap out queso. Running cream, cake, and cobbler. I ain't playing cops and robbers. Cause I'm sim like I'm got daughter. That's not enough. I'm proper for the options that I'm calling.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Hey, shout out to you, bro. What's up?
I'll see you out here. Let's go,
Hey,
bro.
this the Flash.
What's up?
How's
How
it
you
going,
been?
man?
Chilling,
Good. How about
dude.
yourself? Y'all already know what the fuck it is, man. That's Alex right there, man.
What is
What's
up
your
with you guys?
IG?
We are out here in the Origins event. You know, shout out Origins for hosting this. I mean, the video will do justice for it. And all I gotta say is enjoy and subscribe to the homies' YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
I'm gonna drop it down below.
There you go.
Authentic Alexander.
Yes, sir.
So,
You guys see it down below.
You can get two perspectives of the whole thing.
This thing is hella clean. I can't even see this thing. Oh, this Lambo pretty as fuck. All black, blacked out.
What's happening, Flash?
Hey, what's good, my brother? How's it going? Oh, you guys already know the fuck it is. Uncle Mac right there. He stepped out today. He was able to come in. This bitch is wild trying to get in here, man. What's that?
Yeah.
Shit. How's it going, bro? Nice to meet you, man. Where you park at? You was able to get in? Over there? You guys good. You guys got lucky because those lights just came up. I see this thing. Now you okay?
There you go. Turn on the
I see that thing. That shit clean.
What's the
Right here, baby. Right here, Damn, that's man, this is crazy, as you guys see, man. Sadly, the lights were, the light's not working, as you guys see, and we're about to dip out, man, before this shit get hectic and we cannot get out. So we're out, guys, and we'll catch you. Hopefully we might go to a little side meet or whatnot, but you know, you guys know what to do, man. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and also hit that notification, guys. Keep coming back. I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as you can. We try to get all the footage we can for you guys. You guys seen all the dope supercars, all that shit. It was lit. Sadly, I can't stay to let out because this shit's gonna be too crazy, y'all. We out, y'all. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and have a positive 2021. We are out.